Mananga guys, Black Sugar yangu. Cause I did not do anything to Black Sugar. Black Sugar called me. She gave some TikToker to call me. Only TikToker nangambia nanimbia. Mujang to call a business. Kwa yo TikToker wademo mani. Nenge endayo eluwafu. Kati yao wena tuka mu studio. Wali wa studio likumpine palaso. Wena tuka mu studio weti. Nanyingi ya munda mugendo labo muhimi. Wena ingira weti munda. Black Sugar now. She received me with a slap in their studio. Never want to see me. Never said an MV. Can't say an MV. I said an MV zange. Black Sugar. Wakosabi no just bade ndiko gamba. Olekela okuvuma Joelanda. Kati ao just nze kugamba ebyo. Ne wankubye sina chena koze. Black Sugar wankubye. And he told me to make a video to tell people that Joelanda is the one who made me to abuse. I see Joelanda, you made me to apologize there and post the video. You posted by yourself and deleted everything from the phone. Black Sugar won't here for no reason. Black Sugar, nange ninda koala. Black Sugar if won't here for no reason. Amazo ngegazimya bankuye wanogumutwe wanogazimya ne basaze nembili zange zona bankuye ku face ne bankuye they threw me on the floor and abayaye bo bade banga bankuba wasasuda abayaye kunkuba nanga nawe woli nga gwe nawo nkuba abayaye ne bankuba olwinga gwe nkuba side eri wait mwankube nga doll ne Black Sugar. Black Sugar nenda kukwata nange one day. Mwankuye just because I was defending Joey. Black Sugar wapangisa abayayo kunkuba. Nga nawe woli. Nga we onkuba side yeli abayayo bankuba wano. Onkuba wano abayayo bankuba wano. Wasaze nemvili zange. Siri nemvili. Mujiraba. Siri nemvili bankuye because I was defending Joelanda. You are telling me mune Joelanda yagala mukuba. Black Sugar wankubi siri kulimba eno si content sichi wankubi olaba ne maso gange gazimbye eno lero siri ku filter wankubi mukazi kwe wala wano gazimbye wano ganuma ne wano bankubi wano kutama bankubi wano kumutwe na mutwe gange ne bankubi mutaka. Black Sugar wankubi awada agala na kumfumita na kaso awada agala. Black Sugar, I will pay for this. Linda, let's see this where is going to start. No more TikTok. I am with the same Bobby Shan. Bobby Shan, I don't know what I've done for you. You are the one who called me to take me. You are the one who called me the one name. You have business. You call yourself beautiful mommy on TikTok. You call me the one name that there is. What name there's business or agala kola nange na Bobby Shan wallahi agawala ikatonda let me tell you, me I'm from Karamoja and you're gonna see what I'll do to you this we malagwe Bobby Shan. I'm gonna do something to that. Am I the one who told you what's the reason? Like what's the reason for you to call me like you a girl like me and you want someone else to beat me? Bobby Shan, you are the one who called me. I saw your face now. I could not remember your name by that time. Nebankubi because of you. Bobby Shan, agawala ikatonda. You calling me to take me to Black Sugar. Nebankuba. Nebankuba. Bobby Shan, you'll pay for this. You don't know the person you're joking to. Siman even what to do. If I don't, then you will suffer in my hand, Bobby Shan. When a Black Sugar. You guys will get this from me. You wanted even to stab me with a knife. You and Black Sugar, you guys wanted to kill me. When the time they are beating me. Bobby Shan, you will pay for this. I'm not the one who told Violeta to reject you. I'm not the one who told Violeta to reject you. That's why you hate me. And you call me to be beaten. Bobby Shan, you'll pay for this. You'll pay for this. Fine, they have beaten me. It's okay. They have beaten me. See my face from here. How it's swollen. Bankubi no mutwe wano gazimbie ganuma nerange na sale mbili zange temufa you can still grow another hair na Bobby Shan you will suffer in my hand with that black woman of yours Black Sugar.